Alright, so I'm here walking along with Daniel over here and just gonna ask him a few questions about his fight. So since your fight, man, you've been on vacation or what have you been up to?
Actually I started training at CSW this last week, but I've been in Vegas.
Vegas? Where you been partying at in Vegas, man?
No, not really partying.
No?
You know, I mean, just hanging out, relaxing on the golf course, chilling, eating food. A lot of buffets. I love the buffets.
World Buffet?
You know, I went to Silver Legacy Buffet. That was good. My favorite buffet out there, I forget where it was, but it was off the strip. It was about 15 minutes away. Unbelievable.
Better than the Rio Buffet?
I'll go to the Rio next
Go
time.
to the Rio, man. It's a really good buffet. So what'd you think about your fight, man? You know, it kind of ended a little early. Bet you're a little disappointed, but you know.
You know, there's nothing you can do on that stuff. You can just, you know, get ready for the next one and move on. So, you know, August 15th, I'll be fighting at the Ontario Business Bank Arena. It'll be fun. Kick some ass.
Now, prefer anyone you would like to fight that was on the card, that fought on the last card, or are you just open to anybody right now?
Yeah, I'm open to anybody. You guys mentioned a name, right? What was the name you mentioned?
I don't know, maybe Jason Lambert? Will Ritchie?
No.
No?
No, somebody just brought somebody up. I don't know, from Southern California, from Northern California. I forget who. One of your guys. I don't know. One of Mike's guys. Virgil?
Virgil Swicker?
No.
Rick Slayton?
I don't know, dude.
No.
I forget. I'm tired. I know.
So, you know, you got a really heated reaction, you know, after that fight, man.
Dude. I don't get it. Like, you know, I came out, they all cheered me, and, you know, it was just, you know, I guess it was just a bad fight or something like that, you know? I mean, it's, what are you going to do?
Would you give Jeff Ford another chance?
Yeah, you know, I mean, it'd be nice.
It seemed like there was a little bit of bad blood brewing, you know, at the weigh-in, you kind of, you know.
Yeah, you know,
good gamed him and stuff like that.
Yeah, good gamed him on the ass. You know, I live in West Hollywood. What are you gonna do, right? But, you know, hey, so what if I think he's kind of good looking? You know, I mean, he's 40 years old. But no, I really want to. You know, in the future we'll see what's up. You know, I think he definitely is a tough guy. I've seen some of his fights before. He's fought some of the best, you know, K1 kickboxers in the world. But you know, we'll see what the future goes, and you know, for this August fight, that's what my mind's set on, and I'm gonna kick some ass, take some names, and enjoy life.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much, Dan.
Thanks, guys. Call to arms. Thank you. August 15th, Business Bank Arena.
Awesome. Bye.
Computer.